Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit customer information in QuickBooks Online. If you ever need to update a customer's profile, whether it's their billing details, shipping information, email address, or payment terms, QuickBooks Online makes the process straightforward. Keeping customer records accurate is important because it helps prevent invoicing mistakes, delivery issues, and communication problems later on. For example, if a customer moves to a new address and their shipping information is not updated, orders could be sent to the wrong location. Or if an email address is outdated, important invoices and payment reminders may not reach the customer. That is why keeping your customer information updated is an important part of maintaining accurate business records. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to do. To begin, look to the left-hand menu inside QuickBooks Online and click on All Apps. Now, a list will appear. From this list, choose Customer Hub. This section is where you manage customer-related activity, including invoices, payments, and customer profiles. The Customer Hub section gives you access to many important customer management tools, so this is usually the first place you want to go whenever you need to review or update customer details. After that, select Customers and Leads to open your full customer list. Once you're on the Customers page, find the customer whose information you want to update. You can scroll through the list manually if you only have a few customers, or if your list is longer, you can use the search bar to speed things up. Typing in the customer's name will usually be the quickest way to locate the correct record, especially if you're making frequent updates. Using the search feature can save a lot of time, especially for businesses that manage hundreds or even thousands of customer profiles. It helps you quickly find the exact customer record without manually searching through the entire list. When you found the right customer, click on the customer's name to open their profile. This profile contains the details QuickBooks uses across your transactions, so it's a good idea to review the information carefully before making changes. That way, you can confirm you're editing the correct account and avoid updating the wrong profile by mistake. Before making any changes, take a quick look through the existing information. Checking the current details first helps you understand what needs to be updated and prevents accidental changes to important customer data. Next, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Edit. This will open the customer information form where you can update the details you need. Depending on what needs to be changed, you might edit billing information, shipping details, email addresses, or payment terms. For example, you may need to update a customer's billing address after they change locations, adjust payment terms if you agree to new arrangements, or update their email address so invoices and notifications are delivered correctly. Take a moment here to make sure everything is entered accurately, since even small errors can affect invoices, customer communication, or payment expectations. Accurate information helps your business maintain a professional relationship with customers and reduces the chances of delays caused by incorrect records. After you've made your updates, click Save to apply the changes. Once saved, the customer's profile will reflect the new information, and QuickBooks Online will use those updated details moving forward. This means future invoices, transactions, and customer-related activities will use the latest information you entered, helping your accounting records stay consistent. That's all it takes to edit customer information in QuickBooks Online. As a helpful habit, it's a good idea to review customer records regularly and update them as soon as changes come in. Regularly maintaining your customer database can improve your overall workflow, reduce administrative mistakes, and make it easier to manage customer relationships as your business grows. This keeps your books cleaner and helps your workflow stay organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.